today I'm really lucky because I have with me Spotter, my AI data analyst agent, to help me with insights for financial services. So we will begin with asking Spotter my first question, which is going to be, help me understand the customer segments that I have and their financial profile and product holdings. And I want you to notice what's happening here. We have a business question that I ask Spotter. There's obviously no SQL, there's no dashboard configuration. I'm not having to do any kind of data request. Spotter is now going in and doing some deep reasoning, leveraging its deep analytical skills and looking across multiple data sets. You can see the data set down here. And it's actually going in simultaneously and is going to come back to build a comprehensive analysis for me. And it's now really going in and working on the answer generation. I can look at the details here. It is all the transparency across what it's actually doing. This is what sets Spotter apart from a lot of the standard BI tools that have bolt-on AI capabilities and general purpose agents that we're all used to using every day. So Spotter actually understands what I'm trying to accomplish and not just what I'm typing in the chat. So now Spotter is actually going in and starting to look at uncovering my data, my customer data, the product data sets. It's analyzing a lot of the multiple dimensions across and trying to come back with a recommendation around the opportunities. And one of the things Micheline mentioned earlier is Spotter semantics. So thanks to Spotter semantics, which is our agentic semantic layer, Spotter can quickly understand our financial services industry language and our bank's business context and logic, and come back and present to me an executive summary. So there we have it. It took about 48 seconds. I didn't even have a sip of a cup of coffee, and it's been able to give me a full segmentation analysis, both qualitative insights and supported by quantitative data. So let's review this. So we have here, I can see that Spotter has broken down the data across financial profile by age group. It already understood that based on my question. It went in and also started to analyze, provide some insights here, and also started to analyze the product penetration to deeply understand the product and customer gaps. You can see here that we have search tokens, which are really advanced, and they help me feel confident in that the data is accurate and that the insights that Spotter is providing me are trustworthy. And obviously, there's a lot of nice visualizations that you'll see here shortly. I can switch to the visualization if I'd like to have that view. So with this deep understanding, it has gone in and given me 3 recommendations around 3 opportunities, which are cross-sell opportunities. So this is fantastic. This is what I was looking for. It has mapped it to the right customer segment. So I can see here, Spotter is telling me that the pre-retirees, 45 to 64, have meaningful assets and they are IRA catch-up contribution eligible. That's meaningful insight for me because now I want to be able to use that as the first, the highest priority recommendation to then go in and deploy the campaign. Spotter also has given me some other recommendations, which is fantastic. So using this recommendation that I now have from Spotter, I want Spotter to now help me prioritize the revenue opportunity, and I want it to come back to me with a hypothesis of leveraging, of deploying $10 million in investment, and what a campaign would look like and what would be the ROI around the campaign. So I've really asked it a lot. It has to now go in and really strategize. So Spotter is no longer my just AI data analyst. It's now my strategy analyst. Now, typically, this would be something I would use a strategy consultant for and pay thousands of dollars for. I'm not having to do that because I have Spotter. It's now going beyond Q&A, and it's actually modeling revenue upside across the cross-sell opportunities that it provided to me in the previous query. So we can see Spotter here again, reasoning, doing its deep analysis, and looking at reasoning here. And after the reasoning, we will see it's going to go into the industry metrics and look at things that are important for us in the industry, like assets under management and deposit flows. That's the context that I need Spotter to look at. So what I really love about this moment is that we're going from analysis to strategy, and it's a single question, right? Again, this would be something that would take thousands of dollars, a lot of time spent, but I'm able to do that with just one prompt. So Spotter is maintaining the full context of the conversation that it already found. It's now building on the analysis. It's running code. So no re-explaining for me to do, no starting over. This will all be available in just a few seconds here. Now, it typically does this. As you can see, it's looking at target market profile. It's a lot of analysis around looking at our IRA balances. And it's again, doing a lot of deep thinking. That's what Spotter does best. All right, so let's look at what the results would be for this query that I had. So I can see now that pre-retirees, IRA opportunity rises right to the top, right? So I can see that Spotter is telling me not all pre-retirees are equal. We have in the ages of 45 to 54 that represent the largest long-term opportunity potential. It also breaks down 55 to 64. I didn't ask it to do that. It's actually going in and understanding the question and providing to me the sense of urgency around this segment, because this is closer to retirement, they're catch-up contribution eligible, and higher projected balances. Now let's go see what Spotter actually recommends. It's going in and telling me that the number one priority here is, again, pre-retirees. This is a crown jewel. So this is really the aha moment for Spotter. This is what is super valuable for me, because most AI tools will describe a pattern. Spotter is actually telling me where to act first. It's giving me the priority. And this is shared with me across the investment allocations here. So I can see now, okay, how do I take the $10 million budget and invest it across the different opportunities that exist? Now I have confidence in the strategy and the budget allocation. And now that I do have that, I want to validate this against customer signals. So the next thing I'm going to ask Spotter to do is I'm going to ask it to This is, here it is. This is the analysis that's coming up. So I'm going to ask Spotter to leverage our connectors and go in and connect with Slack, right? So Slack is one of our connectors. I want Spotter to connect with Slack and get all the unstructured data. Spotter is going in and pulling all of the insights that we saw earlier. Again, this is a matter of a few seconds. Normally, this would take a lot of time. So let's go in and do that now on the prompt. Spotter is now going to go in and effortlessly access Slack via connectors. Now, connectors we have several. You can see here available. And this is accessing all the unstructured data that exists. This is business conversation that's sitting in your systems of record. This is where Spotter really shines, because it's separating itself from other AI tools. It's not just looking at where data is residing in data warehouse. It's going into where business conversations happen. So all of these connectors are available. And whether it's CRM, support systems, industry applications, collaboration tools like Slack, which we use. So no switching tools. It's a full picture. And here we go. We have Spotter going in and accessing the voice of the customer, right? So I didn't provide any other intelligence or provide any other context. It went into Slack and got the right insight, automatically connecting to the channels within Slack. So it's giving me key findings here. So this is where I'm finding that a lot of the customer teams and planning teams are having conversations about Roth IRA, about what some of the concerns and feedback are from customers. Very meaningful intel for me to validate the strategy. Now I'd like to show you where this actually exists in Slack. You can see here that Spotter went into Slack and looked at all the channels that are available and pulled from these channels on customer service insights, retirement planning, branch customer feedback, and did that automatically to provide to me these insights. So the bottom line here that I'm seeing is that it's a strong opportunity, right? It's confirming we have had many wins. I can see assets under management. It's an urgent one. And that's the confidence I need to move from the strategy that we had that Spotter provided to me to validation around customer and moving into action. So let's go into, now I want Spotter to take everything that it's delivered to me and move it into an actual action plan for me as a marketing team that we can go execute on. So this is, again, a step that most AI tools are not able to get to because typically they only provide insight, and insight without action, as we know, is just a nice slide. So Spotter is actually closing that loop, moving from question to analysis, from strategy to execution, without ever leaving the conversation. So while Spotter is doing that, I'd like to show you, again, through connectors, we have Spotter going in and actually developing a full campaign. So it's uncovering and operationalizing everything directly in Asana. Asana is our campaign management system for our teams. It has put the entire plan in phases. It has put priorities around it. It has actually gone in and actually done detailed planning and put some tasks and timelines across all the team members. So instead of me going in and talking to the team to provide a recommendation, Spotter has actually populated all of this. This didn't exist before. This has existed right after I gave Spotter the instruction to go do that. So there we have it. This is the campaign plan. Again, I can view it in Spotter. We saw it in Asana. It was nicely laid out. It's available to me here in Spotter. And now I have a full action plan that I can go execute on for the strategy. So as you saw, we moved from discovery to recommendation. We moved from validation to execution planning. And Spotter helped me do that, go from data to decisions in just 10 minutes. That's Spotter for financial services.